We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your scanner glass on a Canon color ImageClass MF733cdw. So first thing first, get your favorite glass cleaner and a lint-free cloth. Put the cleaner on the cloth directly. You don't want to put it straight on the glass. Lift up your scanner thing there and just clean this off gently. Sometimes you will see pen marks, sometimes even whiteout or markers on there. If you already clean it and you're still seeing it, just try to get it, clean it again. And then if you are seeing more defects when you're scanning or copying from the ADF, the top part, then you want to focus on this little strip of glass here. If you're getting it more when you're putting the paper here, shedding this, and then making your scanner copy, then I would focus on the bigger piece of glass. If you guys are still getting defects after cleaning everything, it might be time to put your printer in for a service. If you guys are in need of any quotes or supplies, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.